Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates.
EV batteries defy expectations, last hundreds of thousands of miles. EV battery lifespan defies expectations, with some vehicles lasting hundreds of thousands of miles without significant degradation. Google Pixel 11 Pro XL vs. Pixel 10 Pro XL, a glowing upgrade. Google has announced the upcoming release of the Pixel 11 Pro XL, featuring a faster processor, improved battery life, and enhanced gaming capabilities. I drove the Slate truck. There's more to it than EV minimalism. Slate Auto's new electric pickup truck will start at $24,950, making it the least expensive pickup truck and EV available today. The truck comes without modern features such as a touchscreen, stereo, or speakers, instead offering manual window cranks and requiring drivers to take control themselves. I'm catching up with my summer reading on NXT paper tablets, and most are under $200 for Prime Day. These are my two top picks. TCL's NXT paper tablets are on sale for Prime Day, with discounts up to 36% off until June 26th. The TCL NXT Paper 11 Gen 2 is a top pick, offering an 11-inch anti-reflective matte display, huge battery, and included case and stylus for $169, the lowest price ever. BeatBot AquaSense X Review. A pool robot that cleans itself. The BeatBot AquaSense X pool robot cleans itself and features adjustable feet and a built-in spirit level for proper installation, requiring access to water, power, and drainage. It is nearly identical in appearance to the BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra, except for changes to the basket design.
Reverse engineering and self-hosting the Obi Smart Energy Tracker. An individual has successfully reverse engineered and self-hosted the Obi Smart Energy Tracker, a 15 device that tracks electricity usage and sends data to a cloud-based account. The process involves reprovisioning the original firmware for a local MQTT server or custom firmware for the ESP32C3 inside the gateway device, allowing users to maintain control over their energy tracking data. SpaceX's AI boom comes with a perk for Memphis residents: half price for Starlink. SpaceX is offering Memphis area residents half-price Starlink internet with no upfront hardware costs, linked to its growing AI infrastructure in the region. The promotion follows the expansion of xAI's Colossus data center, one of the world's largest AI computing clusters, which has raised concerns about energy use and emissions among local community groups. Kyber YCW23 is hiring a head of engineering. Kyber, a Y Combinator-backed startup, is hiring a head of engineering to lead the development of its AI-native document platform. The ideal candidate will have hands-on experience and a strong technical background, with expertise in designing and scaling mission-critical AI systems from first principles. iOS 27 helps apps detect when a user may be getting scammed in real time. Apple introduces the Trust Insights framework in iOS 27, which detects social engineering scams in real time by analyzing interaction patterns, timing, context, and basic sensor data. The framework assigns a medium or high risk level if it detects signs of a user being scammed, allowing apps to add warnings, delays, or additional verification steps. The threat landscape has evolved to target your data, not just your devices. Cyberattacks have evolved to target personal data, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, and financial information, rather than just devices. This type of attack can lead to identity theft, financial losses, and reputational damage, with criminals profiting by creating personalized scams, fraudulent bank accounts, or selling stolen data on the dark web. The 6 wildest claims in Apple's lawsuit against OpenAI. Apple filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, alleging that 3 former employees, including Tang Tan, Chang Liu, and Yu Ting, Alyssa, Peng, stole confidential documents, spied on hardware prototypes, and tricked a partner into performing a proprietary product design technique. Perfection is not over-engineering. The article argues that perfection is not synonymous with over-engineering, but rather the result of clearly defining project requirements, which leads to a unique solution that meets those needs. AI's next bottleneck is power. That's why I left the creator economy to build a data center startup. Leonhard Sonk, co-founder of Throne, has left the creator economy to launch Tar, a data center startup that aims to make power more efficient, after raising $27 million in seed funding at a $500 million valuation. The company's founders believe their skills gained from running a creator economy platform are transferable to the data center industry. FAA takes first step to scrap the ban on supersonic flights over the US. The Federal Aviation Administration proposes lifting a 53-year-old ban on supersonic flights over the continental US, allowing non-military planes to travel at speeds above Mach 1. Bad news for SpaceX. Bigger is always better. A recent report by the Aerospace Center for Space Policy and Strategy suggests that super heavy-lift rockets, such as SpaceX's Starship V3, may face challenges in the commercial launch sector due to increased cost, time, and operational complexity. The report questions whether bigger is always better, citing the relatively low usage of the Falcon Heavy rocket compared to SpaceX's medium-lift Falcon 9. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.